One of the precious elements in our desert is water. This year's monsoons have blessed us with lots of rain. Last year our well went dry, but this year we have plenty of water. However, storing water can be a challenge. Our old 3,500-gallon tank sprung not one leak, but 5. We tilted the tank to push the remaining water to the opposite side. This enabled us to properly clean and prep the hole. We chose quick steel for our epoxy because it is waterproof. Molded it into a ball and filled the hole.
So much stickier than them.
To cover the plug, we selected JB Weld. Applied it over the top. Remove the wedges. We repeated these steps for the remaining 4 smaller holes.
There's the bug.
After the epoxy cured, we began the long process of refilling the tank.
Coming out.
It took 3 days. We decided to paint the tank, but held off on painting this patch to ensure our repairs were successful. To celebrate our victory, 2 of our children did the rain dance, asking the water tank gods to protect our repairs. Just kidding.